Yo, what's good? Good morning. What is it? It's happy Thursday. Not Thursday, but Thursday. So check this out. You see me post about this credit system that we have with my econ. It's completely legit. I'm doing a message. There ain't no other Alvin Payne out here. Well, except for my daddy, but that's another story. Anyways, yes, like if your credit score is low, if it starts in the 3s, the 4s, the 5s, the 6s, even 7s, even if you have 800, there is higher. So if you're looking to get negative items removed off your credit report, increase your credit score using pre-written letters. Hear me. You don't have to sit there and type it out and end up doing it wrong. We have pre-written letters that all you have to do is just plug and chug your information in and what you're trying to get removed. You print it out, take it to the mail place, and send a certified letter. You do not dispute online. That's a no-no. Even if you see people encouraging that, no, that's a no-no. Anything can happen. But if you get a paper trail, you can make it happen. So if you're interested, it costs $19.95 to start. And you're not only getting the credit repair system, you're gaining access to learning financial literacy, like as a whole. And in this economy, that's exactly what we need, is to be financially literate. So inbox me, comment below if you would like more information. I'll get back to you today. Okay? Again, it's $19.95. You can't not beat that. You can't beat that. And then afterwards, it is $39.95 a month. I'll be up front with you. There is a monthly. Just like you pay for your Netflix bill, your Hulu, your Amazon Prime, and I think it's Amazon Prime Week or something. I have to check it out. But yeah, you're paying monthly on that. You're paying monthly on your phone bill. Same principle. You're paying monthly to be financially lit, financially free in your mind, and just learning things. Like, why wouldn't you want to learn this? So there's other things that we have to offer that is included in that package, but you have to get back with me. I'm not finna spam your inbox and say, hey, you know, I used to do that. I don't do that no more. Because you replying to me or you DMing me, that lets me know that you are serious. So I only want to deal with serious people. And get this info and elevate your mind.